Dumpster rental service in Fort Worth, Texas. When you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Fort Worth, Texas, ABCDUMP LLC has got you covered. We specialize in providing efficient and affordable waste disposal solutions for all types of projects. Whether you're renovating your home or cleaning out a business space, we have the perfect dumpster for the job. Our team is dedicated to timely delivery and pickup so your project can stay on track. At ABCDUMP LLC, we understand that waste disposal can be a hassle, so we strive to make it as easy and stress-free as possible. We work with you to meet your needs from start to finish. We offer clean, well-maintained dumpsters that can accommodate various waste types. Our goal is to ensure your cleanup process is smooth and efficient. Call us today at 682-803-8031 to get started with your rental. We are proud to be the preferred choice for dumpster rental service in Fort Worth, Texas. Trust ABCDUMP LLC to handle your waste disposal needs with professionalism and care. Don't wait, contact us today for the best dumpster rental service in town.